Let's see how we can use the calculate function in DAX. As you can see in this Excel spreadsheet, I have 4 columns: state, city, age, and sales. I want to import this data into Power BI. So I'm in a blank Power BI report and I want to import the data into here. In the Home menu, I'm going to press the Transform Data button. This will take us into the Power Query Editor. I'm going to click the down arrow next to New Source and choose Excel Workbook. I'm going to select the Calculate Data Workbook and press Open. I'm going to rename this query and call it Location. I'm going to press Close and Apply, and this will send the data into Power BI. I'm going to change the background color of the canvas. I'm going to first create a virtual table that will be used for our DAX measures. Before I create a calculate function, I need to first calculate the total sales amount in the location table. I'm going to add a card visual that will display the total sales amount based on this measure. In Calculate, you apply filters as conditions, and those conditions are used to modify the existing filter context. I'm going to create a measure that will calculate the sales in Charleston. As you can see, I have a measure called Charleston Sales. I'm using the calculate function to calculate the sales amount and filtering on the city of Charleston. I'm going to add a table that will display the Charleston sales. Let's go back to the spreadsheet and validate that the sales amount for Charleston is $1,200. I'm going to create another measure that calculates the Charleston sales between the ages of 18 to 25. I'm going to add this measure to the table. Let's go back to the spreadsheet and validate that the sales amount for Charleston between ages 18 to 25 is $500. How would you create a measure that calculates the sales for the states of Virginia and Florida? Leave your answer in the comments section below. The last measure that I will create will calculate the sales for the selected city in a slicer. I'm going to add a slicer that will display the cities in the location table. I'm going to display the sales amount for the selected city in the table. I hope you have learned how easy it is to use the calculate function. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next video.